Hi, my name is Antara from grade 9J. So in this video, I will make procedure text. According to the title of this video, I will tell you how to make hot tea. Let's get started. Spoon, a glass, a tea bag, sugar, hot water. The first one, add 2 tablespoons of sugar into the glass. Second, put a tea bag into a glass. Next, pour the hot water into the glass. Then, stir the tea until purely mixed. The last one, take a tea bag. Finally, the hot tea is ready. Thank you for watching and goodbye.